We're gonna need 1080 for a pat down too.
Y'all ain't touching me.
Oh yeah,
No,
we
y'all
will.
ain't.
Okay.
Oh, we gonna see in the hospital when y'all ain't touching me.
All right.
Now, get a female. Don't touch me. Get a female. Don't touch me. You can't touch me. Get a female. I want a female off. You drag me. I'm going to.
You're gonna do
Then
what?
go
I'm
in.
gonna show you.
Then
Drag
go
me.
in.
I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna
Go
go in.
in.
What the f out of one of y'all drag me? Cause y'all
in.
doing the system.
Okay.
Assessor. I'm gonna go somewhere.
Go in.
Oh,
Okay. Just get the feet in there.
Get inside.
All right. Perfect. That was so difficult.
Okay, I get on the ground right now. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, there's gonna be more.
Hey, no,
60, I got 1 female in custody.
I'll get cuffs.
Get the car. Get it.
It's okay. Calm down.
I'm calm.
All right. All right. We're good.
I'm calm. I'm really calm.
All right. Let's get her up.
Okay, can you grab my phone?
Yeah. We'll grab it.
Okay.
All right. All right. Tell me when you're ready to get up.
1, 2, 3, up.
All right. All right.
Grab my phone.
You're coming. I'll get it.
I ain't finna run my car.
Yeah. We'll get it.
I ain't running. The purse is right there. The purse is right there.
Hey, follow me. Just
All right.
relax, okay?
I relax.
Oh, that. Oh, you talking about that? Yeah.
I'm letting y'all know. Shit, y'all can get y'all shit. I ain't finna run.
I gotta pick something up behind your car, right?
Ain't nobody else coming down. It was just me. It's 3 persons. Well, 4.
Where you guys at, Andy?
Ain't nobody else coming. You don't gotta hold me. I'm not gonna. I can sit down for you. I ain't gonna run.
Yeah, you're not gonna run now.
No.
You did run.
I did run. Y'all called me when you.
That's why I don't
when
think
you
you're
said
running
hey,
now. I
when
know.
you said hey, I
Hey,
stopped.
you did.
I ain't gonna play with y'all.
You did.
I ain't gonna.
Oh, shit, come on.
My baby birthday coming up. I'm homeless. What y'all want to do?
All right, I get it.
I ain't gonna put up no fight. Nobody.
Under the Fourth Amendment, every use of force during an arrest must be objectively reasonable.
No, I think they got her. We got a fast dog too.
Shit, get it. Y'all got y'all stuff back. Y'all got y'all shit back. I'm telling y'all, it's me. It's me. Shit.
Just wait here.
I'm not going nowhere.
No, you're not. You're in cuffs now.
If I was in cuffs, I could still run, but I ain't going nowhere.
On 16, we need at least 2 markings.
I'm just getting my hair on my.
Okay, you got a scratch or something?
No, get my hair.
Oh, okay. Gotcha.
You ain't gotta hold me that tight. I'm not going nowhere.
Hey, I promise you this ain't tight.
It is shit. You already said.
You understand you're under arrest right now? Do you understand
Yeah,
that? Oh, okay, all right. I'm letting you know
It's
that.
a misdemeanor. I know I'm getting right out.
Okay. All right. Well, we'll be the judge of that. Okay.
Well, you can't be the judge. I know what I got. A misdemeanor. I can tell. I can tell you what I got. Do you know I'm under arrest? Yes, I do. Yes, I do know. I know.
Okay. We don't need to move around and
But
shit.
you don't gotta keep holding me.
Yes, I can.
No,
I can
you
legally
don't. No,
hold
you don't.
you.
No,
Oh, I'm gonna hold
okay,
you.
so y'all can't legally attack me how y'all just did it.
Okay, great.
Y'all can't
It's all
legally
on
do
body
that.
camera. Awesome.
No, it wasn't
I'm
on body
sorry.
camera when he said
Yes, it
bitch.
is.
No, it wasn't.
Okay.
No, it wasn't.
I got a body camera.
He
What you
didn't.
arguing
He
for?
didn't, because he just said when he said bitch, I'll tackle you.
Oh,
that was on
okay.
camera.
Excellent.
That wasn't on camera. What you talking about? That wasn't on camera.
Okay.
How you gonna tell me bitch, I'll tackle you when I stop? What you talking about?
We need that OBT unit over here that just went down that way.
The Supreme Court's decision in Graham versus Connor, decided in 1989, set the controlling standard. Courts weigh 3 factors: the severity of the alleged offense, whether the subject posed an immediate threat, and whether the subject was actively resisting or attempting to flee. Reasonableness is judged from the perspective of an officer on the scene, not with hindsight. The subject's own admission that she had fled earlier is legally significant. In Tennessee versus Garner, decided in 1985, the court held that flight does not justify unlimited force. It permits a proportionate response, not an open-ended one. Officers may consider prior flight as one factor among several, but it does not by itself authorize any level of force.
nothing.
Just hold her there, Shellhorn.
Yeah. Just hang out for a second.
What?
Hey.
You don't say nothing else. Misdemeanor coming right, going.
I came right in there with that.
We leaving. I run out. What y'all want her for? She don't got nothing. Come on, bring me.
Shellhorn, hold her, man.
Bring me. I'm coming right home. Be right out.
That's cool. We're gonna need 1080 for a pat down too.
Y'all ain't touching me.
Oh yeah,
No,
we
y'all
will.
ain't.
Okay.
We gonna see it in the hospital when y'all ain't touching me.
All right. That's fine. You're on camera right now.
I understand how y'all went on camera when y'all told me y'all. Let me go. Let me go. I'm right here. Y'all don't gotta touch me like that. I'm a girl. You don't gotta do me like that. You tell me I'm not
Pat her
resisting.
down, bro. We didn't pat her down.
Okay, let me.
Well, so
Let
she
me
says she's
down.
gonna spit.
Watch this. Oh my daughter. I'm glad that's on camera. Because I'm not
Relax.
resisting. I'm not resisting.
Stop.
I'm not resisting.
Yes,
So what
you
y'all?
are.
Hell, y'all put me in the car. Y'all ain't take me down. Y'all mean. No, because y'all mean. Y'all been
We
handling
can
me.
put you in a
Yeah,
car.
I can't. No, you
Okay.
can't. I know my rights. I know
All
I'm
right,
going to school for it. You slow.
Could we get Campos out over
Fuck
here?
you, I'm gonna get a female.
Hey,
Now,
Campos,
get a
can we you
female.
Nordstrom?
Don't touch me. Get a female. Don't touch me. You can't touch me. Get a female. I
Just
want
leave
a
her.
female
Leave her.
officer.
Yeah, she can fall on the ground. That's
Fuck
fine.
you, so I ain't gonna fall in nowhere.
That's fine. She knows her rights.
I do. I do. Very
Yeah, she's the
well.
one in handcuffs.
Know my rights very well. Know my rights very well.
Okay.
Then what are they?
No, I don't gotta talk to y'all. That's one
What
of
are
them. That's one of
Oh,
them.
you know them. What are they?
Get some about. Y'all
You're
good?
so smart. Yeah, what are they?
I'm gonna show y'all. I better not tell y'all.
Or put me out at Nordstrom Rack.
Hey, Campos, could you come down here by First Watch?
First watch.
Tell them hurry up, come set you so y'all can see I ain't got shit. So we get this process
Are you still
over.
looking for one more that ran, or just?
There's only two.
Cool. We're not talking
Okay,
about
we
you.
have two.
There's only two. You keep talking to me, I'm not talking to you. People like officers like you are just too tough. Too tough. You know your job too much.
Yeah,
Too much.
That's fine.
Too much.
421870.
So she knows her rights. She can only be touched by a female. She knows her rights. She said she'll spit. So
A search conducted at the time of a lawful arrest is separately permitted under Chimel versus California, decided in 1969, which allows officers to search the area within a subject's immediate control. That doctrine addresses the scope of a search, not the sex of the officer conducting it, which remains a distinct policy question. The pat-down itself raises a separate question under Terry versus Ohio, decided in 1968. Terry permits a limited search for weapons based on reasonable suspicion, but it does not address who may conduct that search. Most agency policies require same-sex officers to perform pat-downs whenever practicable, departing from that standard only when officer safety or exigent circumstances require otherwise. The subject's repeated request for a female officer placed this policy directly at issue. Whether the agency's specific procedure was followed cannot be confirmed without department documentation. The broader privacy interest at stake is addressed in Bell versus Wolfish, decided in 1979. That decision recognizes that searches involving bodily privacy require careful balancing between institutional necessity and individual dignity. That balancing test applies with particular force when a subject voices an explicit, repeated objection during the encounter.
Oh, no.
You spit on me. That's not.
I'm not gonna.
Come back
you
over
don't
here.
gotta touch
Come
me.
back over here, though.
You don't have to touch me.
Can.
Yes, I
No, he
can.
can't. No, he can't. You don't have to walk me.
I'll let her go.
Yes,
He can. He
Yes,
can.
he can. No,
He
yes, he
can.
can.
Okay, touch me. Search me. All right. I know my rights. Y'all can't tell me what the fuck you can do to me.
He can do it.
He can't. And I can still sue. And I can still sue. And I can still sue.
You don't have anything to
No. 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 No.
Is that your suit?
No. Yes. It wasn't necessary him to call me a bitch to tell me he was gonna tackle me. No. So everything I'm gonna do is unnecessary.
5208.
I was running before police came.
Okay, then what did you want?
You talking about before police came? I don't got shit on me. I don't got no pennies on you. Like I don't have no
Hurry, stop
underwear on.
moving.
Just relax.
No,
Relax.
no.
She knows her rights.
No. You talking about I don't got no underwear on. You can't.
I
touch me
got
like
you
that,
here,
okay?
Campos.
You talking about no underwear on? What is you talking talking
Just
about?
face that way, man.
You cool? I know what the I'm saying. You can't start
Wanna
getting
switch?
all around. Lady, you doing too much. Lady, you doing too much. You overstepping your, because you overstepping your boundary.
No, she's not.
Yeah.
You got her bill. Yeah. All right.
All that don't matter. Stop doing me like that.
Just
No,
It's
no,
on body cam.
no,
Okay.
no, no. Because what is you doing me like that?
Because you're acting like a child.
These I didn't even just kick you. You got my leg up.
All right. Okay.
Sure, she got my leg up.
right, add the
How am I
three.
kicking
Yeah.
you?
All right.
How am I kicking you? You got my leg up.
Oh, you got her?
I'm right. I'm right.
I got a double lock
I'm
on.
gonna give y'all a battery. I'm gonna give y'all a battery.
We're gonna get legs. And Romano, you want legs?
How?
Now you're trying.
How? How
You did
can
this
these
to
things
yourself.
hurt?
Well, you're making them hurt. All right.
Because I'm trying to see how I
Will
just
you
kicked
willingly
her.
go in?
Yes, if y'all let me go. I'm gonna do it myself. I'm gonna do it myself.
Okay.
I'm 25 years
Go.
old. Stop touching me. Y'all don't. I still have 3 hands on me. I'm gonna do anything if I got 3 hands on me.
Okay, you're gonna get in the car.
All right, let me
We'll
go.
pick
No,
you up and
no.
put you in the car.
I'm not.
Yes, you are.
Okay, let my arms go and I can do it
No, we're not
myself.
letting you go. You already ran from us. Come on.
I didn't run from y'all. Fuck out of here. I ran from Nordstrom, not y'all.
Oh, okay. Excellent.
Put your feet in.
Okay,
Can I get a white shirt?
From the other side. Perfect.
Can I get a white shirt?
Yeah, we'll get him out here. He's coming already.
If you drag me, I'm going to.
You're gonna do
Then
what?
go
I'll
in.
show you.
Then
Drag
go
me,
in.
I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna
Go in.
What the f out of one of y'all if y'all drag me? Cause y'all
in.
doing a system, a system. I'm gonna go somewhere.
Go in.
Oh,
Okay. Just get your feet in there.
Feet inside.
All right, perfect. That was so difficult.
Stop.
I swear to God. I swear to God. I swear to God.
What?
Stop doing my arm like that. I'm touching my own arm. I'm touching me.
She's in.
Based on the available record, the officer's use of verbal commands and standard custodial procedure was largely consistent with department training. However, the failure to clearly resolve the request for a female officer before completing the search is a documented procedural gap. On the available evidence, the officer's overall conduct merits a grade of B-. The subject's verbal compliance, including her acknowledgement that she would not resist, weighs in her favor. Her continued physical movement during placement into the vehicle complicates that assessment. On balance, her conduct merits a grade of B. 3 lessons emerge from this incident. First, when a subject requests a same-sex officer for a search, resolving that request promptly, before physical contact begins, reduces both legal exposure and on-scene conflict. Second, clear communication of legal status, including the basis for arrest, lowers the likelihood of escalation, even when a subject continues to object. Third, when video alone cannot confirm a disputed sequence, agencies should preserve all available footage angles to support a fair and complete review. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police court interactions.